Now we're going to take a look at a steel hive stand and see how it assembles together. First of all, you want to make sure that your outer bar is facing on the outside as you put this together. And of course, you're going to have 4 crossbars that will be going here underneath. And you'll want to get a 1/2 inch and a 9/16 wrench to put this together. It will help you when you get to the point of tightening it. Okay, now we will want to tighten these up. I have a 1/2 inch and a 9/16 wrench set here that I'm going to just tighten these up. That way everything's going to be very, very firm and snug, and this will serve you for many, many years to come. Now that we have it assembled, this will give you many years of service ahead as a beekeeper. You will want to make sure that your rails are on the outside and not on the inside. Otherwise, you're good to go.